Gable vents can add character and design to any siding project. They can also be effective in creating proper airflow in attic spaces, keeping moisture and temperature in check. To install a vent, center and mark its desired location. The easiest way to achieve this is to plumb down from the peak of the gable using a level. Mark a horizontal line as well. Next, remove the cover of the vent. Hold the vent in place and trace around it with a pencil or a marker. Now draw a line 2 inches in from the original mark. This is where the hole will be cut. Once the hole has been cut in the sheathing, position the vent over the hole, aligning it with the level marks, and secure it with nails. It's important to flash around the vent to help keep water from reaching the wall structure. Using self-adhesive flashing material, start along the bottom of the vent, followed by the sides, and finally along the top. Make sure to overlap the flashing. The gable vent is now ready for siding. Follow the siding manufacturer's instructions. And finally, snap the cover over the vent base to complete the installation. Note that there are 2 snap positions, the first for thicker siding and the second for thinner profiles.